And to continue playing on after this tournament?
Come here. Let's have some fun. Please come here. Come. Seriously.
You want me out there?
Yeah, come. Okay.
Oh, that's it.
You want me to retire?
No, well,
Okay.
I just want to ask you.
I was hoping it was a Indian media guy, but because I can't really say if you have a brother or a son who can play for India or is a
Sure,
wicket keeper.
this is true.
Do you think I'm unfit?
No,
Looking at me running,
very fast.
you think I can survive till the 2019 World Cup?
Sure, yes, sure.
Then you have answered the question.
Thank you, sir.
You're forgetting something. No, I wish it was an Indian media guy because I would have asked, whether he has a son that is old enough and a wicket keeper to play. He would have said no. Then I would have said, okay, maybe a brother who can play and who's a wicket keeper. But you fired the wrong ammunition at the wrong time.
You mentioned the support staff role in the beginning. Just wanted to add a little bit to that. In the last 4-5 months, even they've been away from home at the same time as the players have been. Their contribution, if you could just give one or two examples, how immense has that been and anything?
I think we work more as a family. The reason being that's our culture also, and I feel it often helps. To have the kind of support staff that we have. The relationship it's not like, we have a bowling coach, you have this, you have that, you have a fielding coach. It's more of a friendship that goes on. Dr. Baba is quite strict over here, but, with us inside is quite friendly. So, and I keep telling him, if the media is happy with you, then you are not a good media manager. But, that's a kind of, that's the kind of thing that really helps you. It's no doubt it's a very long tour. Over 4 months at one place. Another 20 days and we can apply for citizenship. So, that's the amount we are talking. But it has been good. We learned a lot out of it. But at the same time, hopefully, what the fast bowlers have learned in this tour, they'll keep that in their mind because we won't be playing outside the subcontinent, till next year maybe. So it's very important for them to, keep in mind what really they have learned. Hopefully they'll have some story.
नहीं, एक बार में एक सवाल सर, बहुत सारे लोग हैं क्योंकि मुझे पता है आपको खुशी नहीं हुई कि इंडिया जीत गया। नहीं सुनिए बात सुनिए, आपकी आवाज़ से, आपके टोन के, आपके सवाल से ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपको खुशी नहीं हुई है कि इंडिया जीत गया, ठीक है। और जहाँ तक क्रिकेट की मैच की बात की जाए तो स्क्रिप्ट नहीं होता है, इट्स नॉट अबाउट द स्क्रिप्ट। आपको एनालाइज करना होता है कि हम टॉस हारने के बाद जिस विकेट में हमने बैटिंग की थी, क्या कारण था कि हम ज़्यादा रन नहीं बता पाए। अगर आप ये सारी चीज़ें बाहर बैठ के एनालाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं तो यू शुडंट आस्क।